All right, so in this video, I have a pair of sneakers right here that was gifted to me from three awesome individuals, John, Paul, and Jen. Appreciate you guys, man. This is a really, really cool present, and I can't wait to show you guys what they sent to me. And let's go and get in the video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Hess here. Hopefully you're having a good day out there. Thank you for stopping by and watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Collective Kicks, I post a bunch of sneaker deals for you guys on a weekly basis, so check that out if you guys are interested. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys this awesome epic gift that was sent over to me. This is a pair of sneakers that I really wanted at retail. I missed it, and then I wanted to pay resale, and I put in my price point, and it was just a little bit out of reach for what I wanted to pay. And then all of a sudden, I got a care package, and I have John, Paul, and Jen to thank for these. This is the Patta collaboration. This is that Monarch colorway with that wave pattern. This is the first one that released of the four that released for Patta, and this is one of my favorite ones, if not the favorite one. I think that cream laces probably the way to go. Drop a comment in the comment section. Cream laces or the kind of like light grayish laces. I think cream for sure all the way on these ones. For anybody that actually copped a pair of these, some of them actually came with this guy, which is pretty cool. It comes with the bracelet. So I actually have 3 of 3 pairs that have the bracelet, which is a nice plus right there. But this is a tremendously awesome gift to be given from some friends. I do appreciate you all for sending this over. And speaking of giving, I wanted to mention a giveaway that I did with Hibbett Sports to give away 5 $200 gift cards. It's $1,000. Basically, I didn't take a pair of sneakers from them this month to do any sort of a promotion. Usually they send me a pair for a promotion. And for December, I opted to not get anything and to just do something so I could give back instead. So I figured this would be a good integration with that because I did not get a product to go ahead and actually do a video. I'm going to use the opportunity from the gift that I was given to let you guys know about the gifts that I was able to give. So Hibbett Sports, if you haven't heard, is an online retailer as well as a brick and mortar. They do have over 1,000 stores across the US. It's a great company. I've been working with them for a handful of years now. Major shout out to Winnie for setting up this for me to be able to do this giveaway for you guys. But I reached out to the 5 winners that I chose. 2 of them were on Twitter, 2 of them were on Instagram, and 1 of them was on YouTube. And shout out to everybody that entered any of the giveaways. Appreciate you guys. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram or Twitter, I'll link them in the description of the video. It's always in all of the descriptions, but worth noting if you don't follow me over there. Anyways, the first winner is BK. I did a wall post on YouTube, and he's the winner from that one. And then we have Bailey Choi from Twitter.
Hey guys, hopefully everyone's staying safe with your friends, families, loved ones. You know, I was one of the winners who was selected for the Hibbett Sports gift card sponsored by, obviously, heskicks. So without further ado, I'll show you what I selected. Obviously, I had to go for the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Now, these shoes are even nicer in hand, and hopefully if you went for one, you were able to pick up a pair. However, these are just super nice, and it's going to be the perfect gift for me this holiday season. As being a sneakerhead, I'll rock it casually, but maybe I'll play basketball in them. So these are the shoes that I selected, and again, huge shout out to heskicks and Hibbett Sports for sponsoring this. Catch you guys later.
Congratulations on winning as well. And the second winner on Twitter was Ryan Campbell.
Hey Hez, I wanted to thank you and Hibbett Sports for the $200 gift card you gave out on Twitter. Very appreciative of that, and I got my order in the mail today. This Atlanta Braves 1995 World Series hat. I live in Texas, but I really like the Braves logo. I really like this World Series logo, so I had to have it. So I picked that up in store, and then I also picked up a pair of black Nike fleece sweats from the store. Can't go wrong with these. My little girl, she's 9 months old right now. I ordered her some onesies for the winter. Got this little pink Jordan onesie here. And then I also got her a Nike little zip up onesie as well. Got to get her right for the winter. And then the big one I'm super excited about. I'm a high school basketball coach, and I got 9 girls on my team, so I very often have to jump in and practice and do some drills, give them a look. And I didn't have good basketball shoes, so I wanted some basketball shoes for practice. So I got the Zion 1s. Pretty excited about this. School colors, orange and gray. Excited to get on the court and put these to use. All in all, Hibbett had a bunch of really good deals going on. I got like 25% off a couple items here and there. So I was able to get everything, I think for $198-ish. Got like $2 left over on the gift card you sent over. So again, big shout out to you and Hibbett Sports. Thank you so much.
Congratulations to him. Over on Instagram, R. Russ was one of the winners. Shout out to you. And the last winner was Mark Lewis. So shout out to all the winners. Anyway, moving back over to the Air Max 1s. These things are really, really dope. I love the like eggshell midsole, first of all, and then the matching liner as well as the tongue. Kind of has a vintage sort of off-whitey look. One thing I wanted to show you guys is a comparison between these two, because this is like one of the anniversary shoes that ended up releasing for the Air Max line. And at first glance, I thought it was the same exact thing, minus the waves, obviously, around the mudguard. But it's totally different, obviously. This is a more vibrant orange. This is that Monarch color instead. Then obviously the accents of this one is much more white than this one is kind of like that off-white. The wider mesh on this one, a little bit lighter mesh on this one. And then I think this is nubuck up here underneath the swoosh versus the original ones don't really have that. It's kind of like a fake felt material on these guys over here. So this colorway comparison to this one is just really, really clean. It just has a nice earth tone vibe to it, but some really nice pop and some nice color accents. Also, there's kind of like a burgundy hit around the toe and then the heel section, and then also like a tan and burnt orange color, which kind of just brings the entire theme of the shoe together. But now we have 3 of the 4 from the set in hand, which is super dope to actually own all 3 of these. I think they look incredible. I think this collaboration has been incredible, and it's just one of those releases that was kind of crazy because it was like 1 colorway and 2, 3, and then all of a sudden there's 4, supposedly the last one. But they did a really good job on it. If you guys had to choose only one of the 3 or 4, the black one not in hand, which one would you guys go with? Personally, I think the maroon one is probably the least favorite of the 4. And that's not to say it's bad. It's just that these other ones are so incredibly good. These 2, I would say, are neck and neck. I do kind of like the accents of the blue a little bit better on this one, but this one is just so good. And the fact that these were the first of the 4 to release make this one probably a little bit more special as well. But even more special was a gift, and I would have been missing this one from the collection if I didn't get this one sent over for my friends. So thank you, friends, for sending these ones over. You guys are awesome. Much appreciated. I also sent them back something in return, just because I wanted to make sure that I took care of them. So I sent Jen a pair of the Michigan Dunk lows. I sent Paul a pair of the Biohack Jordan 1s. And then I sent John a pair of the Pollen Air Jordan 1 highs. So I tried to repay their favor a little bit. Plus I had some of those sent around for them and went to a good home. So yeah, man, I love the holiday season. It's fun to be able to see and be a part of the gift giving, and appreciate you all for watching the video. Anyway, thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I hope you guys have a good holiday season, and hopefully we'll see you back for some more videos very soon. All right, peace, guys.